Welcome to a tour of 312 Center Court, Middle Smithfield Township, Monroe County, Pennsylvania. Imagine owning your own piece of paradise. That's what you'll find once you enter the front door to this exquisite family retreat.
This 7,000 square foot home includes 4 baths, 3-zone HVAC, a golf course view and landscaping throughout.
Detail in this completely remodeled home is outstanding, with tray ceilings, crown molding, in a luxurious and warm environment. Indoor highlights include a coffee room, laundry room, catwalk leading to the 3 upstairs bedrooms, including a main bedroom with private sitting room and fireplace, an office, a wine cellar, a gym with sauna, a billiards area, a cards area, a theater room with Bose surround sound, and a private hair salon. Outside you will find a putting green, multi-level decks with full guttering systems overlooking the saltwater heated pool with slide and waterfall, a hot tub, an outdoor kitchen with stainless steel appliances, an exterior fireplace and a living entertainment area, a hammock area with pool closet, a fire pit with koi pond, an exterior sound system, a direct connect gas grill, a covered screen porch off the primary bedroom. Request your showing appointment today.